Welcome. If you want to split your screen in Samsung Galaxy A20e, you can make it in a very simple way. So for example, I would like to make it with the Google Play Store and the messages. So we have to open these two apps, then you have to go back for your home screen. Tap on this button, select icon of the messages for example, and pick open in the split screen view. Next you have to pick our Play Store. As you can see right now, we can work at the same time on the two apps, and we can also resize them by moving this line like that at the bottom or at the top. You can decide. If you want to close this mode, just drag like that, and that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.